dear students. I'm in the Niagara Falls, Cataratas del Niagara, like up. Okay, and let me check. Really? But you have to continue with your activity, so open your book, please.
Let's continue with your activity. Part 3, how can we discover new things? So, open your book, page 54. Here, in this page, you have to look the verbs and paste a picture that represents each of them. You can paste or draw a picture that represents the verbs. You have 4 verbs. Number 1, drinking. For example, I'm drinking a glass of water. Number 2, running. I'm running in the park. Eating. I'm eating a pizza. Sleeping. I'm sleeping in my new bed, for example. Okay? Draw or paste a picture that represents all of these verbs. Number 2, match the name of the animal to the picture. You have a list of animals: duck, cat, turtle, fish, pony, and hamster. Okay, draw and match the name of the animal with the picture. Okay, and number 3, listen the track. What's your pet doing? And write the action each animal is doing. For example, the dog. Okay, a dog is playing. You have to write the verb play. Or the turtle is drinking water. So you have to write the correct verb or the action. Okay, if the turtle is drinking water, you have to write drink or drinking water, for example. Page 55. In this page, you have to look at the picture and complete the sentences. We use present continuous, present progressive to talk about something that is happening in this moment or at the moment. For example, play, the verb play. You have to add ing at the end of the verb. For example, play, you have to add ing and the correct verb is playing. Okay, if you add ing at the verb play, is playing. And so you are talking in present progressive or present continuous. So in this case, in this page, you have to add ing in all at all the verbs. For example, number 1, what is the boy doing? What is the boy doing? The boy is jump. You have the verb and add ing at the end of the verb. For example, number 2, the boy is jumping. Jump, write the verb jump and add ing. The boy is jumping. Number 2, what is the dog do? You have the verb do, but you have to add ing. What is the dog doing? Perfect. Okay, now complete all the question and the answer with ing.
Dear students, it's all for today, and there is a lot of water. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.